Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Chevy Cruze Limited LTZ, stock number Z6710A. Only 11,000 miles and there's one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Cruze brand new, Blu-ray metallic in color. You received the balance of the factory, 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors, helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Not only low miles, but very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Again, only 11,000 miles. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys for radio and CD player. Heating and air conditioning with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. This engine gives you the best of both worlds. Power when you need it with a turbo, otherwise excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon and a city average of 38 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ 6710A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.